Hi everyone, Dave Sugden here. I want to let you know about a new exciting opportunity with Evidence at Trial. Starting today, you can now get full access to all Evidence at Trial courses, plus a ton of bonus content and materials that are only made available to subscribing members. Currently, you can purchase any Evidence at Trial course and get immediate on-demand access to that course. The courses include the following: Evidence 101. This is the necessary building block course for all litigators. Whether you're trying cases regularly, about to try your first case, or have been trying cases for years, this course walks you through the entire California Evidence Code so you know not just all the rules and how they work, but how to use the rules as weapons during your case. We have a deposition skills clinic. Taking and defending depositions effectively is a must-have skill for all litigators, and they can play a huge role in trial. Deposition Skills Clinic gives you all the needed resources and tools so that you can take and defend depositions with expert competence and confidence. Expert Witness Academy. Expert discovery and trial examinations can be some of the most difficult components of a litigator's practice. In Expert Witness Academy, you'll learn how to effectively depose and cross-examine experts at trial, and also how to make sure your experts communicate with clarity and persuasion while being invulnerable to cross-examination. Finally, Business Trial Academy. This course puts it all together, and you'll learn how to effectively handle every component of a trial, from jury selection through closing argument. Again, whether you're getting ready for your first or your 101st trial, you'll be even more prepared after taking Business Trial Academy. Each course costs $499 and is eligible for CLE credit. However, with an all-access subscription to Evidence at Trial, you can pay as little as $99 per month, and you can cancel at any time, and you'll get full access to all of our courses. There's also an option to get 2 months free at just $990 for the whole year. This will allow you to take all 4 courses at your own pace. Again, you can cancel your membership at any time, and you'll have access till the end of the year of the current billing period. Plus, with this new Evidence at Trial membership, you'll get exclusive access to a ton of bonus content that will help you continue to grow your practice. The bonus content will include both written and video content that covers things like new developments in the law that affect trials and litigation, best practices for trial preparation, from preparing witnesses to preparing yourself mentally for top performance, recommendations and summaries of some of the best trial books and resources that I've read and implemented in my practice, quick sheets for easy use during trial, and so much more. I'm really excited for this opportunity. The practice of law is a craft where we can continually grow and continually strive to get better. So sign up today and take that first step and start pursuing your journey at mastering our shared profession. I hope to see you soon.